Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently on the latest update. So, let's get started. First things first, let's go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. Once you open it up, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner here. This will take you to your profile page. From there, just tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, which will take you to your settings. Now, scroll down a little bit further until you see Delete Account. Tap on that. From here, you'll be asked to verify your account info and then proceed to delete your account. What happens next is that your account will first be deactivated for 30 days. After that, if you don't log back in within 30 days, all your snaps and chats will be deleted. To proceed with the account deletion, you'll need to enter your username and password. Let's go ahead and do that now. Once you enter your username and password, hit Continue, and it will log you out. This means the process is started. Again, don't log back into your account right now. It's deactivated, and within those 30 days from the day you hit Delete Account, it will be permanently deleted. So, you have 30 days to decide if you want to go through with it. For now, your account is deactivated, so no one will be able to snap or interact with you on Snapchat. And that's how you delete your Snapchat account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks on Snapchat